It's snowing. Oh, look at that. Wow. It's snowing big time. I think we're gonna have several inches by morning. Dan has invited me to chili. So let's go do that. Oh, gosh. Like right in your face. I'm gonna lock it because I don't know why. Golly, it's like blizzard.
My footprints that I jumped out are gone.
I know, it's just like, whoo! Look at this. Ooh, smells good. How deep? Oh my gosh. Dan, we're snowed in. Look how deep this is. Look at this. Oh, my camera. Look at this. Dang. Oh, now Bill.
Look at your tire wheel well, or your hubcap rim.
We're snowed in. What'd we say we were gonna be, like an inch or two?
I think it's 6 inches.
Well, it could be 8 tomorrow. Dadgum. Look how deep it is. Yeah, well, wow. Good night. Now, that is some snow. You gonna go? Have fun. Go. What do you think? She's like, I don't know what to think about this. Come on. Wow. We need to get you to the road. I don't think the road's gonna be any better. I don't think we're going anywhere for a while. Look at my solar panels. Solar panel. Dang, it's deep. I need a shovel. What you doing, Dan?
Look at this.
Look how deep it is.
I know.
What do you think, 2 feet? Foot? Foot?
That's a foot.
Yeah, good foot.
My hand to here.
Yeah. Burr.
They said we'd only get 6 to 8 inches. We got 12.
Yeah, and it's still snowing.
It's still snowing.
There's Gilon over there.
I just want the sun to come out.
Yep. It's supposed to be in the 40s this afternoon, so hopefully there'll be some sun with that. Look at that. I need to get some dog food for Sammy. Oh, and this would be for me to warm my bones. I should probably try to clean off. My goodness. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Yeah, I've never been in this much snow before. Unless I was going snow skiing, but I don't even think it was this much. Dan's van. It is almost buried. So what I'm gonna do is I started the oven. One way to stay warm is to cook something in the oven. So I'm gonna cook some brownies. Yep, and the oven will stay on approximately, what, 35 minutes. So that's another way to, or that's one way to stay warm when there's a blizzard. These are gonna be, I guess that's a good sign if the snow's sliding off the camper. But we're gonna have brownies. They're gonna be fudgy brownies, not cake brownies. I just melted a little butter in that pan. Fudgy brownies. On, and then get some hot chocolate. Have hot chocolate and fudge brownies for a snack. Watch a movie. Life is good. I bought this pan specifically because I knew it was going to snow. And I probably wouldn't have running water. So, I'm just gonna have to lick the bowl clean. And then I'll just throw this pan away. Not sure when I will have running water. Just have to wait it out. But I've got 6 gallons or 7 gallons of fresh drinking water. So I'm not going to be doing cooking really very much because I don't want to have to do dishes. So snack on brownies. Yum. I love the corner pieces. Guess it's done. Nothing like brownies. Let's look at the snow. Oh, I think it finally quit snowing. So that's good. Gosh, look how the trees look. What do you think? She says, I don't know what I think. What do you think? Are you trying to eat your snow? She says, I want snow ice cream. Don't eat yellow snow. That's my tip for y'all today. Well, at least you can see the mountains now. That's funny. What are you doing? You having fun?
Somebody's enjoying it.
I know. I think it's the first time she's been in snow.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Look how deep it is. Need to come out here and knock that snow off. Are you running? Huh? You're not sure about it, are you? You're not sure about it, are you? A snowball fight. You get a video? Yeah, I got it.
I've got my munitions. Oh! Oh!
It's stuck to my hand.
Good. Not mine. Oh! It's not fair. It's 2 against 1.
Oh no, are they ganging up on you?
Ah!
What?
I almost got you right on the head. You can make a snow angel.
Oh, that would be cute. Get yourselves a snow angel, yeah.
Ah.
Good catch.
Oh! Good. Ready? Go.
Ah! It is deep. It's about a foot.
I know. You
I
be
got
careful up there.
I got this. I'm gonna be okay. Come on, baby.
Oh!
Well, that's a lot of work.
Take it out of you.
We're over here playing and Shauna Lee's up there working.
Oh, y'all have fun. I like the laughter.
Good job.
Elon's adding to Dan Snowman. Whew. Elevation. Cold.
Gotta go get my camera.
Just more snow. What do you think? She loves the snow. She loves the snow. Do you love the snow, Sammy? I just noticed that van was stuck and digging his way out. So he's on his way. So it looks like we had another, what, two inches? There's some blue sky back there. Where'd she go? Oh my goodness. Do you love the snow? Well. She loves the snow. Gosh. It's so deep. So it's supposed to get up into the 50s today, so, but it was just snowing just a little bit ago too, so we'll see. I think this weekend it's supposed to be in the 70s. But anyway, it's a crazy time. Just gonna clean off my solar panels, get me some sun today. Yeah, a couple inches. Frozen, the cord is all frozen. Well, I probably am learning several things in this environment. One is I think I carry too much clothes or too many. I think I have 3 pairs of gloves. Are you being silly? Oh my gosh, go! Oh my gosh, go! Go running. She loves the snow. Do you love the snow? You want a snowball? You want a snowball? Sammy, here, go get it. Goodness. You getting choked on the snow? She's funny. Okay, what I was saying was that I always second guess myself and thinking I carry too much stuff. But I've learned that I think I have 3 pair of gloves, like winter gloves. These are mittens. Let me show you. They have the fingers cut out, or mittens, which are nice. But the ones I had on yesterday, sopping wet. So I had to get another pair out today. Also, these boots, you know, I hardly ever wear them, but I am so thankful I have them right now. And also I have another pair of rubber boots that come up higher. So, you know, I was kind of rethinking my clothing and getting rid of some stuff, but not so much anymore. Dan needs a ladder. And mine.
The thing is that there's no ice crystals up there.
Yeah, it's just. What do you got on your nose? Let me see your little nose, Sammy. Come here. What's on your nose? She says snow. Do you love it? Do you love it?
Yeah, I ran around my van and see your tracks.
She loves just going around in circles around the... What? She's like, it's like playing in the lake, but I don't get wet. You don't get wet, do you?
Right.
She's loving it. I have a rug under all this snow that I'm gonna have. Well, and I think I might have Sammy's leash under here too. Wonder if I'm ever gonna find that. The rug or the leash. I did put everything else up besides this table and that rug, which I'm glad I did, because the rug is lost. Have to wait until it melts. Okay, I got my solar panel cable. I had to dig it out because it was all buried under there. But I keep blowing a fuse. So I'm assuming because the connections are wet. So I hung that up here. I think I have 4 fuses left. The 10 amp. 3 fuses left. So I'll probably be running my generator till this thing can dry out. All right. Don't think we're going anywhere soon. Cleaned off the hood yesterday. Yep, I got a lot more snow last night. Dan made us a path to our rigs. Yeah, it's packed. Don't dig there. think I'm gonna start my truck.
Crunch.
This is crazy, crazy. All we're doing is building a big old pile around my truck. Gosh, it's so deep. Start my truck. Yeah. Sammy, catch. She's like, I got it. Sammy, look, Dan's got you another one. Sammy. Oh, you got it. Silly girl. She's like, wow, this toy's gone. Look how deep that is. Yeah? We need to make some snow ice cream. With brownies. Oh, yeah. Dan's building a snowman. Another one.
A bigger one.
Yeah, bigger. It's packing better today, huh?
Yeah, it's doing great.
So this is my drying station. I talked about my gloves were sopping wet yesterday. These are them. Oop. So I got the budgie heater going. Got my gloves and my boots sitting here close to the budgie heater. Yeah, I mean it's not too close. And that's how I'm drying my socks, my wool socks. I have 2 or 3 pair of wool socks. They are still getting a little wet when I come in and take off all my snow-covered clothes. My socks get a little wet, so I put them here. Also, I have my jeans. I put my jeans on over my sweats and then tuck these into my boots. But they still getting wet close to the knee. So I just have them sitting right here and they're drying out too. So that's how I'm keeping all my winter clothes dried out. Yeah, see, these are sopping wet on the outside. So just turn them around. Let them get warm. So it's really wild. I guess being this high up in elevation and close to the sun. Wow, there's blue sky up there. It's not cold anymore. And everything's melting. So that's good. I just tried to replace the fuse in my solar panel again and it popped it again. So not really sure what's going on here, but maybe it's just still wet in the connections. I don't know. Got some blue skies. Well, that was a, what, 2.5 day snowstorm. I think it's gonna melt really fast. Sammy's gonna miss it. Sammy's gonna miss the snow. It was quite the adventure. These are our steps, footprints from, what, 2 days ago. They got covered up. She loves the snow. Well, I'm going to end this video right here and just know everything is well. We survived. It's all downhill now. It's really, really getting warm. Of course, it may be muddy, but the road out of here is, it's not bad, and it's a little ways down it's really, really rocky, so that is gonna be good for us. But had some fun in the snow. I loved it. About to leave Colorado and love the state of Colorado. Everything that it has shown me, everything that it's taught me, and enjoying the snow. It's been awesome. So this is a real-time video. The videos that are coming about Colorado are a couple of weeks old. Me and Dan rode the train, the Royal Gorge train, and we did a day walking across the Royal Gorge Bridge. So those are coming. But I just wanted to get this video out there because I've been posting on Facebook and Instagram showing the snow. So, but thanks for coming along with me. It was fun. And it's fixing to melt. And I'm just going to stay out here and enjoy it because it's not cold anymore. Come on. Come on. Sam, is that snowman? Is that snowman? Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Do you love the snow? Do you love the snow? Are you destroying Dan's snowman? You're silly.